If you're thinking about remodeling, don't start with random Pinterest ideas.
Start with the upgrades that make the biggest visual difference and improve the way your home actually lives.
And the ones that will give you the most resale value.
So today, we're giving you before and after examples of 6 areas of focus that will completely change your home.
And we'll also tell you which ones are worth spending money on first. Hi y'all, I'm Tiffany.
And I'm Frank.
And here at Carolina Crafted Homes, we help our clients buy, sell, build, and renovate homes here in the Myrtle Beach area.
In this video, we're going to jump into 6 remodel upgrades that will make your home feel dramatically better.
And up your resale value.
Let's start with the Builder Basic Kitchen. We have all seen it, and this is a very common starting point.
Nothing's technically wrong with it, but it feels flat, generic, and unfinished.
But look at how these changes can totally transform the space.
Warmer finishes, upgraded lighting, better hardware, a stronger focal point with the hood, and more custom overall feel.
This is where a remodel can make a huge impact without necessarily gutting everything.
And if you want the kitchen to feel expensive without necessarily being expensive, focus on lighting, storage, hardware, countertops, and anything else that makes it feel less builder basic.
A kitchen remodel can make a huge impact on the feel and value of your home.
But a lot of homes don't actually need a full kitchen remodel, at least not at first.
And many homeowners are on a tight budget, and this is just not an option for them.
So in this case, we would suggest that the biggest bang for your buck is better paint and better lighting.
A room can feel 10 years newer with fresh paint, better fixtures, a different light temperature, and a cleaner overall look.
If you're trying to change the feel of your home fast, start here.
This is especially helpful for homeowners looking for a less expensive way to make your home stand out from the competition when preparing to sell.
Now let's move on to another area that will build the most resale value, the bathroom.
When thinking about a bathroom remodel, it is easy to get overwhelmed.
For a bathroom remodel, the changes that matter most are a better shower layout, more useful storage, improved lighting, and cleaner finishes.
Many times, you don't even have to change the layout to make a huge impact.
Our biggest tip for any remodel project is that you really need to design for real life, not just for that photo on Instagram.
Speaking of designing for real life, we understand that storage is not the most flashy part of remodeling.
But if you're like me, it may be the most satisfying part.
A smart remodel solves the messy parts of daily life.
Think mudroom storage, laundry folding space, pantry organization, deep drawers, closet systems.
When clutter has a place to go, the whole home feels better and shows better.
Now let's move to another part of the home that can cause some of the biggest frustrations, the primary suite.
Let's face it, a lot of primary suites are fine, but not special.
And this is one area where a remodel can really change how the home feels and for what you can sell it for.
What makes this before and after work is not just nicer finishes, it's better mood.
Warm materials, softer lighting, more intentional details, and better storage can make the space feel calm instead of purely functional.
And another easy way to go from boring to unforgettable is trim.
This is another one of our go-tos that we use to elevate a space without breaking the bank.
Now, let's move to an area of the home that is especially important in our area: outdoor living.
That's right. An outdoor patio or porch shouldn't feel like a leftover space.
Simple changes here will make the home feel larger without adding square footage.
And it doesn't always require a massive budget. Over the years, we've had many buyers that fall in love with one home over all the others, specifically because of the outdoor space. So whether it's for your own enjoyment when living in the home,
or better resale potential,
this is not a space that should be forgotten.
And again, it doesn't have to cost a fortune.
Sometimes the difference is simply a better layout, better or different furniture, lighting, shade, and making the space feel intentional.
If you're considering a remodel and wondering where to spend first, here's the short version.
Start with the kitchen improvements, paint and lighting, bathroom function, storage, and outdoor living.
Spend first on the things that are hard to change later.
And save those trendiest decisions for things that you can swap out more easily. If you're watching this and thinking, I know my house needs help, but I'm not sure where to start,
That's exactly where we can help.
At Carolina Crafted Homes, we don't just help with buying or selling a home, we also offer new home building and remodeling services.
So whether you're planning a kitchen remodel, a bathroom update, or a whole home transformation, reach out to us.
And tell us in the comments below which before and after made the biggest difference to you.
And if you want more remodeling videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.